Hello everyone.
The Umkhonto Party said that it will take the IEC to court over the unauthorized release of the party's candidate list. Among the names on the list is RAPE accused Bishop Zondo, sparking outrage from citizens. The commission's deadline for political parties to submit their list was on 8 March. Provincial list of candidates will be published for inspection on 26 and 27 March. The leaked MK party list contained the names of some long-term Jacob Zuma associates. The party spokesperson Tlamulo Ndlela responded to allegations that Zondo made it to the list and said he could neither confirm or deny them. This was despite his earlier confirmation that the leaked document from IEC, which included Zondo, was indeed the MK party's list. Ndlela admitted that the party was aware that the law prohibited anyone with a criminal record from becoming a member of parliament. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.